Good morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you face value, successor or predecessor of given number and increasing or decreasing order. I hope all of you have copied the previous notes from description. Today I will teach you estimation of addition, estimation of subtraction, estimation of multiplication and estimation of division. Children, what do you mean by estimation? Do you know? Estimation. Estimation is a rough calculation of the value, number, quantity or extent something. What is the general rule for estimation? The general rule for estimation is look at the digit to the right of the digit you want to estimate. If you see a digit is greater than 5, round up, or if it is less than 5, then you round down. Example I will tell you, and you have to find the estimation nearest. Three questions will be arise here. First one is the find the estimation nearest 10. First one is the nearest 10. Second one is the nearest 100. Third one is the nearest 1000. Nearest, you have to give in any number, and in question is mentioned there, find estimate the numbers nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. Then first one is the nearest. Suppose is the question given, round up the number nearest 10 and number is 56. Number is 56. What do you have to do? Find the estimate the number 56 nearest 10. In case of 10, you have to see the value of the ones and see and compare the number. What is the ones? Here ones is 6. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5. First you see is greater than 5 or less than 5. If the number ones place value is greater than 5, then it will be the give to the next number plus 5 and this number will be 0. Here 6 is greater than 5, so you have to write this one in place of ones 0 and here you have to add 1, that means 60. The nearest 10 estimation value of 56 is estimation value of 56 is 60. Okay, one more example I will take. Here. Suppose estimate question is here. Estimate the given number nearest 10. I will take the one more example, 74. 74. What I told you, when you will have to estimate the number nearest 10, that time you have to see the ones value and compare with 5. Here ones is 4. 4 is less than or greater than 5. 4 is less than 5. That means if 4 is less than 5, then you have to, no need to give one more here. Simply you write 7 and here this value is the 0. The nearest 10, it will be the 70. Answer will be the 70. Estimate value of 74 is the 70. Estimate value of 74 is 70. Second question is here. Estimate the given number. Estimate the given number nearest 100. If in question is estimate the given number nearest 100 and take one number, suppose number will be 457. Number will be 457. Then you have to see the values of the tens and compare with same number 5. You have to compare with 5. If it will be the greater than 5 or equal 5, then you have to give one more to the next number. Here tens is the 5. 5 is equal to 5. So what will be the estimate value of 457? Right here, estimate value of 457 is what? You have to here 5, that is equal to 5. So you have to give here one more and write here 5, and this both are will be 0 0. Means estimate value of 457 is 500. Again, see the next example, 747. What I told you, in case of nearest 100, you have to check the values, tens digit values. You have to compare with 5. Okay, see here tens digit is 4 and 4 is less than 5. So what you have to, no need to give here 1. Same number we will write. So write here estimate value of 747. This one same 7 you have to write, and this 2 will be the 0 0. That means it will be the estimate value of 747 is 700. Okay. Next question is the third one. Estimate the given number nearest 1000. In case of 1000, you have to check. In case of 1000, you have to check the place value of 100. Place value of 100. 100. Okay. One number. Example 7475. Here 1 tens 100,000, 7475. This one is the number, and you have to round up this number in nearest 1000. So which place value we will take? 100. Just right side of the given number. Okay. Here compare the number 4. 4 is greater or less? 4 is less than 5. If 4 is less than 5, then no need to give any more one number here. And simple, you have to write 7, and all these three numbers will be, in place of that you have to put the 30 here. Okay. One more example I will take you here. Suppose 78754. Okay. And you have to find the estimate value or nearest 1000. In that case, you have to check the place value of 100. What is the here 100? 7. 7 is 100. In place of 100. 7 is greater than 5. If is greater than 5, so it will be give one more here, and these values will be 0. So 8 plus 1 9, and this one will be the 0. So what is the estimate value of the 754? It will be 9000. In same case, in short, I will tell you, in case of tens, in case of 10, you have to check the values once. In case of 100, you have to check the values tens. In case of 1000, you have to check the values of 100, and you have to compare with 5 only. You have to compare with 5, and if is greater than 5, if number is greater than 5, then you have to plus 1, and if number is less than 5, no need to give any number, simply you write that number, given number, and afterwards you have to put the 00. Okay, now I will take one question from your book. One question I will take from your book. See, find out, the first question is find out the nearest 10 of the given number. Nearest 10. Nearest 10. First question is given here 62. Nearest 10. In case of nearest 10, what I told, you have to compare this, you have to check this one's value and compare with 5. 2 is less than 5. So no need to give any number here, simply you write 6 and here you have to put the 0. So 6 to 2, write down here estimate value of 62 is 60. That is your answer. Second one is here. Suppose now next number is 95. 95. Here in case of 10, you have to check the values, compare with one's digit. Here one's is 5. 5 is equal 5. And what I told, if any number is equal 5 or greater than 5, then you have to plus 1 to the next digit, and here 9 plus 1 is 10, and this one will be the 0. The estimate value of 95 is, estimate value of 95 is 100. Okay. Now the second question, you have to find out the nearest 100. Second one is the nearest 100. Okay. In case of 100, what I told, you have to check the value of tens. First number is 249. First question is 249. So what I told, which number you have to compare? Tens. Here tens is 4 and 4 is less than 5. If 4 is less than 5, no need to give any more here, and simply you write 2 and this 2 will be the 00. So what is the estimate value? Estimate value of 249 is 200. Okay. One more example I will take from your book. Next one is the 698. 698. Question number 2, 698. Compare here. Here, in case of 100, I told you have to compare the tens digit with 5. Here, 9 is greater than 5. So what we have to do? We have to plus 1 here, and this one will be a 00. That means 700. So what is the estimate? Estimate value of 698 is 700. Okay. I hope easily you can understand these things. Now your first part is the estimate. First one is the estimation of addition. Estimation of addition. How to estimate the number and after do the addition. First one is the question is here. Estimated sum by rounding off to nearest 10. Estimated sum rounding off by rounding off nearest 10. Nearest 10, and also find the actual sum. Here first one is the number is here given 4, 6, 46 is 81. And what you have to find out the estimated sum. Estimated sum. Sum, that means you have to do the addition work. Okay. Estimated sum, also round up nearest 10. Nearest 10 and find the actual sum also. Okay. The first work is here. You have to estimate this number. Estimation. Estimation 46 is C. Nearest 10. So which number we have to check? Ones digit. Ones is here 6 and 6 is greater than 5. So plus 1 we have to do here is 5 and this number will be 0 is 50. Estimation of same way you have to find the estimation of 81 is here 1 is less than 5. So it will be 0 and here this one is the 80. Now you write here, you have to do the estimated sum. Estimated sum is the estimation number is the 50, 80. And here you have to do the actual sum. Actual number you have to write 46, 81. Add the number 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 5, 30. Okay. Now here you add the number 6 plus 1, 7. And 8 plus 4, 27. This one is the actual sum. This one is the actual sum and this one is the estimated sum. If you will do see the number and compare what is the difference there. Same way you have to find out nearest 100 also. In case of nearest 100 you have to check the values of tens. Okay. Estimate the sum by rounding off. I will put here 0. One more 0. 100. In next example I will take and we have to find the estimated sum nearest 100 and also we have to find the actual sum. Here first question is 436 and 356. Here we have to find the estimated sum, means addition work we will do, and nearest 100, in that times we have to check the place values of the tens digit. Okay. Now first work is here, find the estimate value of the given number. The estimate value of the given number, estimate value of 436. Now here tens is 3 and 3 is more than 5 or less than 5. It is less than 5. So no need to give any plus 1 here. So simply you write 4 and after this both will be the 0, 0. Next, estimate value of 356. Compare the tens digit. This one is a 5. That is equal to 5. And what I told, if any number that is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then we have to plus 1 here to the next digit and next rest number will be 0, 0. Means 3 plus 1, 4 and this one will be the 0, 0. That is your the estimate value of 436 is 400 and 356 is 400. Now you have to find the estimate sum. Estimated sum. Estimate sum. Here what is the estimate sum? 436. In place of 436 you have to write 400. In place of the 356 you have to write the 400. That is 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 4, 8. That is 800. Here you have to find the actual sum. Actual sum. What is the actual number? You have to write this one. Actual number is 436 plus 356. Now at the, we always we have to start from the right side. Here ones. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Carries 1 here. Okay. Then 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. And here 4 plus 3 is 7. Here this one is the your estimated sum and this one is your actual sum. From this method we will find all the answers of estimated sum by rounding of 10, nearest 10 or nearest 100. One more question is here. Find out the estimated sum by rounding of nearest 1000. Next one is the tens, 100. I informed you three type of questions arises here. Nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. Next question is nearest 1000. Next question is nearest 1000. See here. 4,360 and 5,812. Students, here we have to find the estimated sum and also we have to find the actual sum. Nearest 1000. In case of nearest 1000, we have to compare the 100 place digits with 5. Okay. First work is here. We have to find the estimated number of the given number. Estimated number of 4360. Estimation of 5812. Here we have to consider 1 cents 100 this value, 1 cents 100 this value and compare with which number? 5. Okay, see here 3. Compare with 5, 3 is less than 5. So no need to give any more marks here and simple we will write 4000 and here see 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we have to give one more to the next number, that is here we have to write 6. And this number will be 000 and after that here you have to find the estimated sum that is 4,000 and 6,000, that is 10,000. Okay, here actual number you have to write 43605812. Okay, 2 plus 0 2, 6 plus 1 7, 8 plus 3 11, 1 is carry here, 1 plus 4 5 plus 5 10. That is your actual sum and this one is the estimated sum. These are the three type of questions: nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, and we have to do the sum, estimated sum as well as and also actual sum. Okay, next question is estimation of difference. First topic is over, estimation of sum is over. Now we will solve estimation of difference. Estimation of difference. Here same question is here. Nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Here also we have to find the estimation of difference. Nearest ones, nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. In that case also estimation is the same rule we will follow. In case of tens we will see the number ones. In case of 100 we will see the number tens and compare with 5. In case of 1000 we will see the place values 100 and compare with 5. Okay, first question, estimation of difference. First example is here. Number is given. Number is 36 and 28. What we have to find? Estimation of difference. Difference, that means we have to subtract the number. Okay, the first work is here. We have to find the estimate value of the given number. The first estimate of estimate number of 36 is what? Compare here, one number is 6 and 6 is greater than 5. So we will do the plus 1 here, is 4 and 0. Same way, estimation number of 28 is here 8. 8 is greater than 5, so we will write plus 1 and this one will be the 0. Okay. Now difference, estimate difference. You have to write here estimate difference, and also you have to find the actual difference. Okay. Now estimate difference. What is the estimate value of 36? Is 40 and 28 is 30, and minus we have to put 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 10. So what is the estimate difference of the given number? Is 10. Actual difference, write the actual number 3, 6 and 28. Now 6 minus 8, is it possible? No, it's not possible. So what we will do? We will take carry from next number 3. Then here 6. If we will take the carry from here, it will be the 16. Then 16 minus 8, that is 8. And this number will be 2. 2 minus 2, that will be the 0. So what is the actual difference of this given number? 8. And estimate difference is 10. Same way, this one is the first part and second part is the nearest 100. Next example I will take here, that is 356. Number is the 356 and 125, and we have to estimate the difference nearest 100. So first find the estimate value. Estimate value of given number 356. What is? Which number we have to compare here? In case of 100, we have to compare the tens digit. Which number? 5. See here, 5 is equal to 5. And in that case, we have to give the one more here to the next number, and then it will be the 3 plus 1, 4, and these two number will be 0. Now, estimate value of 125. Here, which number we have to compare? 2. And 2 with which number? 5. And 2 is less than 5. Then no need to give any more marks here. We will add here number. Then it will be the 1 and next two number will be 0, 0. Then we have to find the estimate difference. Estimate difference. What is the estimate difference of 356? Estimate value is 400 and estimate value of 125 is 100, and difference, that means we have to subtract the number. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 4 minus 1 is 3. That is the estimate difference, and we have to find the estimate, not estimate, actual difference. Okay, actual difference. In that time you have to write the actual number. What is the actual number? 3, 5, 6, and next one is the 1, 2, 5. Subtract the number. 6 minus 5, 1, 5 minus 2, 3, and 3 minus 1, 2. That is your actual difference, and this one is the estimate difference. Now next part is the nearest 1000. One example I will take from nearest 1000. Estimate difference or rounding of nearest 1000. Okay. Nearest 1000. That is the number 5168 and 2713. That is the number. Okay, and you have to find out the estimate value nearest 1000, and in case of 1000, what I told, we have to check the ones digit, 100 digit. Okay, now first work is here. We have to find the estimate value of 5168 and also estimate value of 2713. Okay, then estimate value of 5168. Which number we have to compare? This one, 100. 1 tens 100. In place of 100, what is here? 1. And 1 is less than 5. So it will no need to give any more marks here. Simple, you write 5 and next number will be here 0, 0, 0. Next one is the estimate value of 2713. Which one we have to compare? This one. 100 place value, what is written? 7. And 7, that is greater than 5. So one more marks I have to give here. Then it will be the 2 plus 1, 3. And next number will be 0. Now you have to find the estimate difference. Estimate difference. In case of estimate difference, right, what is the estimate value of 5168? 5000. Write down 5000 and estimate value of 2713. It will be the 3000. Difference, that means 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. Afterwards, you have to find also actual difference. In case of actual difference, you have to write the actual number. What is given here? 5168. And this one is the 2713. Now 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, and 1 minus 7. Is it possible? Not possible. So we will take one carry from the next number. Then it will be the 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. And this number will be 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. That is your actual difference, and this one is the estimate difference. Now these are these questions you have to solve, and all the answers of this estimation of sum and estimation of difference is given in your description. You have to write from there in your notes copy.